for this week's podcast, we're going to be talking about your favorite movies, my favorite movies, our favorite movies, his favorite movies, and all of yours.
Hey guys, in this week's film crew, we're going to be learning how to do cool camera movements with a gimbal. Hope to see you there.
Hey everyone, on this week's Stage Fright, we're going to be playing improv games to help you think on your feet. Hope to see you guys there.
Alright, yeah. Hey, what's up, you guys? In this week's Robotic Revolution, we're learning how to build our own robots. Wow.
Hey there, everyone. YOUmedia and the library will be closed Monday due to Veterans Day, but come on down Tuesday for our regularly scheduled program. See you guys there.
What's up, y'all? Come on through to our digital design this Tuesday and learn how to take photos and turn them into animated GIFs. You won't want to miss this. See you there.